Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss right here on Ctrader. And if you want to do this, first what you need to do is go right here to the three lines left in the top, search right here at add symbols for BTC. Right now I will create ourselves a position with stop loss on Bitcoin, and then click on that, and then you will see right here the chart. Then what we're going to do right now is click on new order, select right here the buy order, and then go right here to quantity to select right here how much lots you want to buy. So right here we want to buy 1 lot, that is fine for now. And then what we're going to do is select right here stop loss. Then you can fill in right here the price range that he needs to hit to stop your trade. So let's say when Bitcoin will hit 65k, he will close our trade automatically, and that is what stop loss means. So now we are doing on risk management, and this is exactly where we are looking for. So right now we click on place order, and now we created ourselves 1 lot with a stop loss of 65k. So this is how you can stop loss right here on Ctrader. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.